Obo wachogolo we ya. Chai. Adopo Professor Chukwu no so. Obodo machogo le machogo. Ayola me. Ayohole mo. Ayola mo. Obo wodocho. Agachala mo bodo di iche n'ime Nigeria. Agachala mo bodo di iche n'ime Africa o. Agachala mo bodo di iche n'ime ụwa niile. Adịghị ebe dị ka obo wule. Adịghị ebe dị ka obo wuye. Ayohole mo. Ayola mo. Ayohole mo obo wuye. Ayola mo. Obo wodocho. Ayohole mo. Ayola mo. Ayohole mo obo wuye. Ayola me, obo wodocho. Ayola me, ayohole mo. Ayola me, obo wodocho. Obo wodocho. Ayola me, ayohole mo. Ayola mo, obo wodocho. Obo doma o. Obo ye, obodo Chukwu goziri agozi o. Obo Maria, Umobowe, Anabambo, Nanugo, Umobo, Anibure, Kakao, Ayola Mune, Obo, Docho, Ayola Mune, Ayoholemo, Ayola Mune,
Share.
Obo, Docho, Ayola Mune,
Share.
Ayoholemo,
Sharp one.
Ayola Mune.
Very sharp and brief. So share it, please. Very brief and sharp. Share it. Share.
Ayola mo, obo wodocho. Ayola mo. Ayohole mo, ayola mo, obo wodocho. Ayola mo, ayohole mo, ayola mo, obo wodocho. Ofekeri, ayana donam.
Share. Important information is coming your way right now. Share. Ayohole mo obo we.
Ayola mo, obo wodocho.
Share.
Ayohole mo.
Important information is coming to your way. Share.
Ayola mo.
I see the heart.
Ayohole mo. Ayola mo, obo wodocho. Owe onye mere ihe obo jidere ụjọ.
Share. I see the heart. Important information is coming your way.
Chineke nara mkpụrụ obi gị.
Anụ ahụ niile maazị Azayoba na Chineke.
Nara mkpụrụ obi gị.
Tio, a na-ayọ ala nwoke. Aso, David nwabụ ihe. Benjafi nwa Chineke mmafụ niile. Share. See the hot. It's very hot now. First come, first serve. Very important information. First come, first serve. So share it, please. Let's go there. Share it now. I need 100 people before I give this information. 100 watching live. At least 100. At least 100 people. I will share the message. After the program, I'm going to pin the link on my wall. Okay? There's no how I can pin it right now. Because I did not copy it. Share very important information. Oh, yeah.
ya docho. Avotu docho. Nakomulati docho. Ayola mo.
Obo docho. Yes, my brothers and my sisters, lovers of freedom, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I love each and every one of you. I am seeing all of you that are watching this program right now live as in the heart. I am Mazi Okpaleze. I say I have a very good news to you guys, for you guys, and I want to bring it live as in the heart. You know we don't lie on this platform. We say it the way it is. All of you that are watching, it is Lizzie Chimamanda you are watching, Ben Jeff you are watching, Anaya Lanwoke you are watching. All of you, Isaiah Yoba, you are also watching. Isaac Ngozi, you are watching. All of you that are watching Umuchineke, the people that I love so much, you are the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. And I want to send a special thanks and shout out to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want to send a special thanks to Madam Erewa, Mrs. Erewa. I'm sending special thanks to you. And I'm sending special thanks to our brother, George somebody in the United States of America. I'm sending special thanks to Cassandra Bayer from Germany. I'm also sending special thanks to Mazi Jude Okafor. I'm sending special thanks to you, appreciation to all the people I mentioned their names, and those of you that have not mentioned their names. I have a very important and special information that I want to pass here. I want to correct an impression that people have not understand. You know, I want to correct it right here as in the heart, because you know that our symbol is truth. Our symbol is truth, and whatever we say, that is how it goes. And my sister Nkem, there's one of our sister known as Mrs. Nkem from America. I also appreciate you. I say special thanks to each and every one of you. These are the people that I'm mentioning their names. They are very, very special to me for some reasons. And I want to say, Mrs. Florence, you are also special to me. I want to send my thanks to you also. It's a shout out and to say thanks to each and every one of you. Before I give you the information that I have for you today, because some people are doubting Thomases, so I want to put it straight as in the heart. I want to correct it as in the heart. So whoever that is watching this, please go ahead and share this program, because it's not going to be long. It's going to be a short program. That is why I'm doing it only on my platform. I am not streaming on Biafra TV. I'm not streaming on As the Hot platform. I'm streaming only on Prince Darlington Facebook wall. So I want you to share. All of you that are standing by. Ben Jaffe, you are also special to me. I love you so much, my brother. I say thanks to you too, my brother. All of you, oh my God. They are Mazi Isaiah Yoba, thank you so much. I say you are also special to me. All of you that are there, Nwakego Oji, you are also watching. Thanks to you, you are also special to me. These people are mentioning their name. I love all Biafrans, but these are people that are very dear to me because of their contribution towards this struggle that we are moving forward. I say thank you to each and every one of you. Thank you to each and every one of you. Thank you. All of you that say that As the Hot will continue, that As the Hot is not going to stay quiet, that As the Hot must keep working and keep, dishing out the important informations, that As the Hot must always come to speak to humanity through your support one way or the other. So I am appreciating each and every one of you. I appreciate you, my brother, the Biafran child, Okechukwu. I appreciate you so much. Mazi Austin, I appreciate you. I love you guys. All hail Biafra to each and every one of you. As the Hot, Nasa won't bring and give you. That is why I'm not going to waste your time at all. I'm not going to waste your time at all. The reason why I do not want to simulcast on Biafra TV and other platforms is because the information I want to give you is a very short and sharp one. And after, when I come on those platforms, I will also, give the information out again on that platform. But now I want to start it from my platform because so my brothers and my sisters, all of us know that on this platform, we don't lie. If you lie, we will catch you red-handed. If you are doing good, I will appreciate you. I will mention your name. I will show you every appreciation. And somebody like Chidozie Honora, I appreciate you too. You are special to me, my brother. And I appreciate you, my brother. You are so special. I love you so much. Hi, oh, Mother Karakari, who will I mention and who will I not mention? For those of you that I did not mention their name, please pardon me. I am not, trying to, be segregate here. Please, you people are many, so special to me. People that I love so much. People that I love so much. All of you, especially those that are sharing this program, that are sharing it extensively, that are pushing this program, making sure that this program is going far. Anayala Nwoke, you are special to me. I love you so much, my brother. Anayala Nwoke, you are always there, pushing out the information that is needed. And so many of you, Mazi Okechukwu Osuiwu, I appreciate you too. You are special to me, my brother. Also, hi Chineke Nabinenu, Mado Karisim Juleju. I think I am going to have a special day when I will, begin to mention you. And even if you're 1 million, I will mention all of you from A to Z. So I think it is very, very important that I put this record straight so that our people will know that on this platform, what we say is how it is. We are not saying it because we want our platform to be overcrowded. We are not saying it because we want people to begin to, to say this and that. No, we are saying it because it is the truth. Irrespective of who is concerned and what is happening, we are going to tell you the truth on this platform. So when you come on this platform, you come with lie. Me, I will strip you naked, remove all the lies, and tell the people the truth I found in you. So that is why I say, all of you that are sharing this program, all of you that are joining this program, I say thank you so much. And there's somebody, Atiku, you are also special to me, bro. Anytime I'm live, you are also sharing my program. You are sharing it like nobody's business. And there's someone again, this lady from I think from Amici. Hi, I forgot this lady. I forgot your name, but before I finish, I must remember your name because I have to also appreciate you for all the good work you're doing. Raphael, you are watching. You are a good guy. I love you so much, and you are doing a very great job by sharing these programs as it is hot. Always, all of you. I forget this lady name. Why am I forgetting it? Why am I forgetting this name? I need to remember this name. Hi, oh God, I forgot her name. And Princess Vina Apunang, you are also following this program, and you are also watching, and you always share. You are one of our admins, and I want to appreciate you too. Ada Biafra Churchill, you are watching. You are always watching and sharing. All of you. Yes, as in the heart, my brothers and my sisters, I have come to you this evening with a good news. With a good news. I know my top fans. I know them. Mazi Anyi King, you are also watching. My own brother from another mother. You are watching. David and Wabi here. You are watching. Yes. The good news is this. We all, the indigenous people of Biafra that are fighting for the restoration of our nation, we believe in one thing. There is one thing that brought all of us together. And that thing is Ezioku Bondo. Truth is life. It is an adage in our own dialect that Ezioku Bondo, truth is life. So that is why I have come with the truth to correct this impression. There's something happening right now on Facebook. Our leader's Facebook account was brought down by Facebook. I mean his page. His page was brought down. And since his page was brought down, our leader have not created any other page. You guys should understand there is different from page, and there's different from group, and there's different from somebody's Facebook account, direct account. The one I am using to talk to you right now is my Facebook account. My direct Facebook account, my wall. That is where I'm broadcasting to you right now. Not page, not group. So I have to differentiate them so that all of you will understand the difference from your normal account, your page, and your group as in a hot. So since his account was brought down, yeah, Temple Tochukwu, you are also watching. Thank you, my brother. Since his account was brought down, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have not created any other Facebook page. Okay? He have not created another Facebook page. So any Facebook page is the one you like. Page is the one you like. Okay? Then group is the one that you send friend requests, and admin will welcome you inside, or an admin will send you, we add you to the group. then if you want, you accept it, then you'll be in the group. But Facebook account, the original account, is the one that you created with your name, with your informations, everything. Then if somebody send you friend requests, you will accept the friend request. Or if you send friend request to somebody, the person will accept it. That is, without your Facebook account, you cannot create a page. Without a Facebook account, you cannot create a group. So it is your main account that gives you power, that enables you to, create a page or a group. So it is very, very important I explain this to each and every one of us to understand the difference between page, group, and their main account. Yes, Ebere Chukwu, Ebuechi Okorafo, Mmesoma Chukwu, you are watching also. Welcome to the program. Please share it because I want people to understand the truth that I want to unveil here. Because on this platform, we don't lie. We say it the way it is. So, since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's account was brought down, there is no other Facebook page that he created. But currently, as it is hot, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is back on Facebook. He have created an account with the name Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is very, very important you know that. It's not a page, it's not a group. So it is confirmed. It is confirmed. This is on this account you can send friend requests on it and you can follow. Okay? You can send friend requests and you can follow. That is on the main account. But on group, what you do is either you send a message for you to be accepted into the group, or the group added you to the group, then you accept it. So these things are what we need to understand. Because if you meet any group with the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on Facebook now, if you meet any group or page with the name Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, report it, it is fake. Only what you see is the account, the one you can send friend request to, or the one you can follow. The one you can follow. So many people have been saying, no, it is not true. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, his account have been brought down. For that, they have not created another account, and it is people who hijack his account that are doing this. And no. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is back on Facebook, but with name Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on the account that you can send friend request. So, and congratulations to all of you that have sent friend request to that account, and he accepted you. For Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to accept you as his friend on this his latest 2021 Facebook account, when Isonifa Neme, you follow. In fact, in Oniroche, and they tell you the gospel truth. If you have sent friend request to that account, because I want after this program, I want the followers of that account to increase up to 1 million before 48 hours. I'll be monitoring that platform. I am going to tag it on my wall, on President Darlington wall. I will tag it there. And I would like each and every one of us to tag it also, that people may follow him. Because the enemy doesn't know the strength we have. No, they know. Now they know. I'm sorry. They don't know before, but now as I'm speaking to you now, they have understand the crowd that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is pulling. Yes, now you know. Now they know. And that is why they are fighting him from every side of the road to make sure that they bring him down. So bringing that account down, we the indigenous people of Biafra, it is our duty to show them once again that we are large in number and we do appreciate our leader and we love our leader. I want the followers on that particular account to be up to 1 million before 72 hours. That is 3 days from now. So if you are not following him on that platform, follow him. And to those of you that that he have accepted as friends, when they call him and they tell you the greatest freedom fighter of all time alive accepted you as a friend on his Facebook account. Do you know what it is? Just like you send friend request to Trump and Trump accept you. Yes. Just like you send friend request to the Prime Minister of Israel, Bibi Netanyahu, and he accepts you. To us, that is who Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is to Biafrans. Just like you send friend request to the President of France, to David Cameron. These are world figures. These are world leaders. And I owe no one apology if I am putting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in that particular position. I have to. Our enemy can go and die. They can go and hawk transformer. We don't care. So I want all of us to begin to follow that account. The account is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is not a page. It is not a group. It is account, just like your own Facebook account. Once you type Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you're going to see it. You're going to see his picture there. Like I said, after this program, I am going to upload. I'm going to tag it. I'm going to tag it on my wall. So some of you that doesn't know the account or that have not found the account can come to my wall. Then you follow him. All you need to do is either you send him friend request or you follow him. So clapping, yes, Mesoma Adachuku. You have to clap for yourself. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have accepted you as a friend, you are following a world leader. You are a friend to a world leader. That means you have a direct access to him. Direct access through Facebook to him. And we are supposed to show Facebook the strength. The strength of number. We are going to show them the strength of number. You can imagine when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is live broadcasting to the world, only on Facebook alone, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000 people following him. They see the crowd that this man is controlling. That is why they brought that account down. They brought it down because they know that through social media that this man is taking the message for our freedom, taking it very, very far. And when you share his program, when he share any of his program or his broadcast, I want you to know that you are also truncating, you are also doubling the information he is passing by extending it to those who are not privileged to listen to him direct. So this is the reason why they brought the account down. So we all must come out in mass to follow him. That is if you want to have direct access with him, because even when you are following him, when you follow him, you can write him. You can write Mazi Nnamdi Kanu direct there. You can message him directly into that account. So I am using this opportunity, to let you all know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have set up a new account. The name is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, you can go there and follow him. Let me use my second phone to show you the account I am talking about. Please, your eyes up. I know that Facebook is going to be removing people right now because they know that I am doing a job that they don't want anybody to do. Yes, by trying to promote Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's account, they are beginning to remove people. We were 360 something, 370 something before. Now they have reduced it to 200, now it is going up again, and they are trying to frustrate it. But I don't give a toss. I don't send the message. So I want to show you all. I want to show you all the account. So any other one you see is fake. And University of Radio Biafra. Let me tell you what you're going to find in on that account for you to know that the account is real. You are going to see University of Radio Biafra, went to Government College, Umuahia. Yes, studied at London Metropolitan University, lives in Jerusalem, Israel, from Umuahia. Okay? Yes. Right now, as I'm talking to you, his friend request, he have about 1,472 friends as at now that I'm talking to you. So this is the account of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is the account. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. That is the account of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You can see it. Yes, that is the account. He used the picture of ESN as his background picture on the timeline. Then on his profile picture is this particular picture you are seeing. I want you to share this program, share this program, share this program. Make it go viral so the world may know that our leader is back on air. He's back on Facebook, and we must promote him because he's a world figure. He's a world figure. If you don't like it, you can go and die. You can see he have accepted me. So if you are among the people that he have accepted also, now look at the things you are going to see on his profile. Anything less than this, my brother, my sister, run away. It is the enemy. Look at it. Look at it. We must prove to Facebook that we have numbers. We must prove to him that we love our leader. That account they brought down, while we are fighting for them to bring back the page, we must also promote this particular one, that the world may know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the man that have the interest of the common interest of his people at heart. No other person. No other person, no other leader, wherever the person might come from, I do not want to know. Now I want to show you more things you're going to see on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wall, so that you will not follow any fake account. Yes, yes, yes. When you look at it, you will see he have interest on Radio Biafra and the Femi One band. This is it. These are the things you're going to see on his wall. You see it. So I want you to share this program. Share it, share it, share it as it is hot. Don't be jealous now. Why are you jealous? Why are you jealous of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Or you are jealous of the person that is talking about him? Share the program. Just share it. It doesn't take anything away from you. Don't be jealous. Eh? Somebody told me that act of jealousness is witchcraft. That any atom of jealousness in you is witchcraft. Why? If you share it, are you going to die? You are not going to die. This is a leader. This is a world figure. We are following him. We are following this man. And he is our leader. We have to promote him. So why are you crying? You don't need to cry. Why crying? That we are appreciating our leader. He's a world figure, number one. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a world figure. The man that gives order and everybody listen. The man that set the pace that Nigeria government are following. The man that when he is done speaking to the world, when he is done educating the people, immediately the Hausa Fulani will copy whatever he said and begin to put it into action. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talked about irrigation. He talked about using the dam in the north to create a job opportunity and to create irrigation that is going to, help them to grow their crops. He said it at night. The next morning, they copied it. It is on news. If you want, I can find the news and show you. That is to tell you that the world is listening to him. The world is listening to him. So he educate us. He educate us, and he want to liberate us from mental slavery. From mental slavery, because a lot of us are living in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I don't want to use your grammar, because sometimes your grammar used to scatter some people's head. And all the intellectuals, all those people you call the intellectuals, they are confused. They are jumping up and down, running from one side of the corner to another side, trying to imitate you, trying to emulate you, trying to be like you, but they cannot. They cannot. They no fit do it. Yeah, somebody is already putting the link here. Normally I don't like to accept link on my platform, but because of this particular issue, anybody that put the link, I will allow you. Somebody is putting the link. I think who put the link here? Please, if you are watching, I want you to, I know you are watching, I want you to give us the link so that I will pin it here. Okay, somebody, Lucy John already put it here. Let me see. Let me pin it. Yes, I have pinned it on this Lucy John account. You can see the link there. That is the original link. Lucy John, thank you so much for bringing the link here. For those of you who are asking about the link, somebody have just posted it here and I have pinned it here. Lucy John. So if you click on the link on this platform, you're going to have it there. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our leader. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a world figure. So as you are honoring your president in America, honoring your president in France, in Germany, in Italy, in Switzerland, in every part of the world, that is how we are honoring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is how we are loving him. That is how we are accepting him as our leader. So if you don't like it, I don't owe you any apology. If you don't like this great man, this great leader, I don't owe you any apology. I've just come to tell you this truth, because some people say, no, it's not truth. It's not truth. Our sister Lizzie Chimamanda, she tried to, she uploaded it on her wall, and some people were attacking her, saying, no, Lizzie, even you are even sharing the fake account of the enemy, blah, 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 blah. It is not our leader. He was trying to convince people, but I want to help to make it more clear here that our leader is live. I'm back on Facebook, and that is a new account. And I want all of you that have not followed him, that have not sent a friend request, bombard that account with friend request, with follow him. And if he accepts you, please, all of you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have accepted, we die here. All of you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have accepted, I beg, raise up your hand. If you are among the people that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have accepted on that new platform, on that his new account, please identify yourself. Identify yourself. Just again. Because you know what, you don't know what it is that our leader accepted you as a friend on his platform. I know that the enemies, wherever they are at their camp now, they will be crying, saying, look at what they are saying about this man. And some people say, some people used to ask me, do you mean that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is greater than Biafra? Do you mean that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we should honor him more than Biafra? Shut up. This is a language of the idiots, of the intellectuals. If you are there, raise up your hand. If you are there, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have accepted you as a friend on that platform, raise up your hand. If you have not accepted you, send in friend request now, as it is hot. Because now first come, first serve. First come, first serve. Odogwu abrogainen. Odogwu abrogainen wanne. So obuna Mazi Nnamdi Kanu da batagogi wanne asingi woni akagene kamfugi. Yes. The first person that he accepted. Our enemies are crying somewhere now. They are saying, oh my God, why are these people promoting this man like this? Why won't we love a man that gave his father and his mother, sister, and his siblings for Biafra to come? Why won't we appreciate a man that refused to take bribe? Why won't you accept and love the man that went to prison for all of us to be free? Why won't you accept and love the man that have sacrificed everything sacrificable on this planet Earth? So, if you have sent in friend requests, I want you also to clap for yourself. And if he accepted you, one day you double the clapping. If you are not friend, oh, Lizzie, I can see your hand up. You're among the people, Biafra, Amaka. You're among, I love you guys. I love you guys. Biko kanko chapuluni yegu, no dilo for biko kanko chapuluni this mama madiegu. Odil easy. This is how to show how much we love our leader. and the intellectuals are crying. Intellectuals, they are crying. The saboteurs, they are crying because of the way we are promoting him. Because of the way we are following him, because of the way we love him. I have pinned it here. I have pinned. Mesoma is like our leader have not accepted you. If our leader have not accepted you, then you have to resend the friend request again. Maybe you've not seen it. Yes, because I coach up on Wamadi, we know Nuko Dogo Biko, Kaikenania.
Odokenenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu. Kenebenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu,
share.
Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike, Ikabugondilo yo, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike.
Thank you. We have just saluted our leader, the greatest leader of indigenous people of Biafra. The Toknadu leader. The Toknadu leader. The one and the only Onyendumo Biafra no Wanini Lebo Wasotoro. The man that speak and the foundation of the country they call the zoo begin to quake, begin to shake. The man whose ideology is unbeatable. The man whose intelligence is second to none. The man who have passion over his own people. He is so much passionate about us. As I'm doing this program now, I want to keep watching this platform. I want to see how many people that are following this man, because I want you to share this. If you have never shared my program before, please, because you don't like me or because you don't like what I'm saying, but you like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, this program is for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Share this particular one. Share this one. If that love you have for him, I want you to share it, because I'm monitoring the page right now. I'm not page. I'm monitoring the wall right now. I'm monitoring it right now. And our leader, please, I know you are watching. Please, our leader, I know you are watching. On behalf of Homo Biafra, if you will be able to be accepting those that you can accept, please help them, please, because they need to have contact with our leader, the man we love so much. Please, our leader, I'm in this program, because people like Miss Oma Adachuku, it seems like you have not accepted her. They are here with the fake account and they are crying. What is this guy talking about? We are talking about the Toknadu leader. The Toknadu leader. That his account is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not page, not group, for your information. You can follow him, you can send him friend request. Because as at this moment, it is only 1,472 people that have seen that he have accepted as his friend on that particular account. We don't lie. When you hear it is here, when you hear it here, it is the same way it is. As in the heart. Okay? As in the heart. Now so we talk him. So like him, follow him, do everything you need to do with our leader's account, because if you want to get the information direct, one day Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the one to give it to you the way it is. I want you to promote him. I want you to share the account. Go ahead and do that. Cassandra. Okay, Kasara God. Yes. If you have not followed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on that account, I have pinned it. Lucky John, somebody Lucky John sent the link here, and I've just pinned it here. I just pinned it here for those of you that want to connect, Please connect with him, connect with the people's leader. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a military, I think I'm supposed to give him field marshal, not general. He is our field marshal. Enemy, they hear me, so make una go cry, and make una go die, and I no consign me. He is our field marshal. Yes, Princess Apunam, we have sent him. Please, if you are sending him a request, you can also identify yourself. You can also tell us that you have sent him a request on this platform, so that those enemies will be reading. They will know that yes, we truly love our leader. It is not a page. It's not a page. Please, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not create any page. What Mazi Nnamdi created is an account, not page. Any page you see with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu name, report it for now until he create a page, because his page is under suspension and we are waiting for Facebook to restore it. Okay? Go ahead and share it, Mazi Ume, Ndudi Ume. Go ahead and share it, my bro. Share it, because I see the hot Nasa they bring and give you. Like I told you people, I'm not going to waste much of your time. If I spend up to an hour here, then I think I'll spend much. Okay? So share it. Yes, keep sharing it. I want report to keep coming. Let us know those people that are following. It is not a page, it is not a page, the one that you like. I'm talking about followers. Those that you can follow him. You can follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You can follow him on that his wall. It is not a page. If you are going to like any other thing that is not that of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I don't give you fake information. I give you original and correct information. Because Allah Yezeji is telling us 11,024 likes. I don't know liking on this platform or liking on our leaders' wall, because you don't need to like somebody's Facebook account. You can follow the person, or you can as well send friend request to become the person's friend. Okay, so whoever that is not happy with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that we are loving him and we are following him and we are advertising his wall for people to follow him, that person can go and drink water pia pia. It does not concern us. By the way, this man we're talking about is a king. If I begin to add King Kanu in his name now, I think I'm going to be adding king, because his father is late and his father happened to be the king. And in the presence of a king, the son can never be acknowledged as a king. He can only be acknowledged as a prince until when the father is no more. Then the son automatically, by our tradition, will become a king. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a king. So for you to follow him, you are following a king. The king of Afaruku and the king of Biafra worldwide. The king of Ndigbo Niile. When he tells you he is coming to you, he will come to you. When he tells you he is coming back to Nigeria, he will come. When he tells you that he's going to come back with hellfire with him, you people are beginning to see it. That whatever he said has come to pass. Everything this man say is happening. Right now, as in the hall, share this program. Don't be jealous. Don't be envious of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Don't be jealous and don't be envious of our leader. He watched whatever love that we're showering on him, whatever praises we are giving to him, he worth it 1,000,000%. So why are you crying? Nagi onemi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu neme? No is the answer. Negonemia? No is the answer. No is the answer. So why are you crying? Why are you crying? Don't cry. Stop being envy. Stop being jealous of this great leader. Because that your jealousy is going to make you are going to shrink. You know, you got it. It can't cause. It can't cause. So why you are envy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Your blood, you will be losing blood. High blood pressure will be catching you. Your heartbeat will be beating faster. Or you know, your blood, you will be breathing like somebody that run 1,000 square meters. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Because you are hating a man that is loved by God. Look at the one you call Obido Obieu, that old fool, and the one you call Uche DJ Mefo. Look at them. Watch them in the next 3 months now, 4 months now. They will just die natural death. Nobody will be talking about them again. I mean, that guy where he make a anyanya ibu. Uche Mefo but na platform here. When somebody says the Kabuja Express Road. I got to be a car. Nnamdi Kanu is our king. He is our king. God blessed him, blessed us with him, and gave us, oh my goodness me, and gave us a leader and a king at the same time. He was born into a family, a royal family. Because God knows that he can lead us well. That is why he brought him into a royal family. So now he is a king. He's King Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Our enemies can die. We don't even want to know. I actually man. Ibulu, enemy of Biafra. One. If you are an enemy of Biafra, if you don't like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will just sleep. You will not wake up. You will just sleep. You don't go wake up again. Because hypertension get boogie, high blood pressure get boogie, high blood pressure get boogie. We are here. We are not going anywhere because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our leader. And for those of you that are doubting that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu account is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu account that was brought down, that he haven't set up another one. I'm telling you that another one is set up already. And Facebook, we hear from us from this moment. It's not a page where you can go and like for your information. It's not a page. What I'm talking about now is a Facebook account, original account. His wall. Because I can Nenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Kanike Nebenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Amadike Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Ikabugondi loyo, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Ayekenekwa ni ozo, osondi owendi, ona asondi, ona ewendi, ona atondi, ona. Wait, let me play that song. Can come no that or Sunday or Wendy because or Sunday or Wendy. One natural can deal on a back watch all the main mama and exist. Obido Biatro Udunine, George Oni Beribe, all of na make on a go they cry. All the enemies of Biafra, all the enemies of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you can go and drink acid and die. We don't care. I didn't who knows it. Eh, wo can come no Sunday or Wendy on them. Sunday or Wendy can't you look on a Sunday or Wendy on a Sunday on a Fundy. Now you could be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Or Sunday or Wendy. Go and send him friend requests and follow him. I see the hearts. That's how they bring her. That's so. Let us dance. Or Sunday or Wendy. Dance with me, my brothers and my sisters. We must promote our leader's page. His Facebook account must be promoted. Oh yeah. I'm not here, we're here. Or Sunday, or Wendy. appreciating our leader. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our leader. Ohamadike is our leader. Oh yeah. Our Takunadu leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Share this program. Go and follow him. This is a confirmation that that account is legal, legit, authentic, confirmed, sealed, and signed.
Asani Owen.
Asani Owen. Oh. Asani Owen. Asani Owen. Ife somu obi. Enke solu chiki.
Ekuta zinamani einu. Bikoni mani ramano.
Ndilo are crying, our enemies are crying. And I'm going to prepare you guys. It is not a page, please. Page is the one you like. Group is the one you send requests to be accepted in the group. It is not a page. It is Facebook account, his wall. The one you can send friend request to. Just like the one you are using now. Just like the one you are using now. It's not a page, please. If you go and start liking a different page in the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, do not say that it is from Prince Darlington. The only account that belongs to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the one I have pinned here. Lucky John put it here. So I'm going to, let me pin it also on my wall. Let me pin it on my wall while we are listening to the music. Or Sunday or Wendy. The Facebook can do their worst, we don't care. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's account, we want to hit 1 million followers on that account. 1 million. We want to hit 1 million followers. 1 million followers. That the one they took down before was, I think, about 300 and something thousand followers and 400 and something thousand likes and 300 and something thousand followers. But this one, we're going to 1 million. We are going to double it. This particular one now. Nnamdi Kanu is going to have up to 1 million followers on that account. And it is you and me that will make it happen. So while you are listening, it is not a page, please. It is a normal account. Okay? It's not a page, but an account. Not a page. Not a page. Page is the one you like. It's an account, the one you send friend request. Okay? Now let me continue with my music. Osunday Owendi. Why I pin it on my wall.
Osunday Owendi. Osunday Owendi.
somu nabi enge jali sajino no Ekutozi na madibe ino Bikono no dirano mano Onye na sozi ogano wano Adize no gogo na jamado no Manogoro no kachisi Onye kutozi na madibe nenu wankana Makanipe na sozi no Napazia na sozi nyoso
Oh yes. We are here. We are here. Sunday Owende ona Sunday ona Owende ka nsuke na asụsụ Igbo obodo amụrụ mụ obodo nne na nna m abụ m onye Igbo aga m na-asụkwa Igbo ọsọsọ oyibo ka a ga-eji na-agwụ n'okwu ụmụnne m maka ndị na-adịghị anụ oyibo biko oyibo bịara abịa ihe na-eme ka unu mmalụ bụ na tata ana m ewepụtala unu kparịta ụka ka nke a wee na-eme ka unu mmalụ na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu etinyego afọ ya n'iru akwụkwọ nke bụ Facebook o mepego akaụntụ ọhụrụ akaụntụ nke o mepere bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu etinyere m n'iru akwụkwọ m Maazị Okpeleze Chukwubikem President. If you go to my wall right now, you're going to see it. I have posted it on my wall. It is on Biafra television as we speak now. I have posted that particular account there. So for those of you that want to know the account, go there, click on it, follow him. We must hit 1 million. We must hit 1 million followers on that account, at least before 2 weeks' time. At least that Facebook may know that we are formidable. Yes, listen. Leave everything you are doing right now. Go and share it. It is on my wall. Like it and share it. Propagate it. Scatter it everywhere. That Facebook may know that we are formidable. That the world may know that we love our leader passionately. And wherever he goes is where we go. So right now, as we are listening to Sunday Owende, I want you to know that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is live. Back on Facebook. I'm not saying that it's live on broadcast right now. He's back on Facebook and he created the account newly. It is Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. If you want, don't be mistaken. I have pinned it here already. You can still go to my wall, President Maazị President bracket Chukwubikem, so that you can follow the link, the original one. Do not go to any fake account, please. Makaona Sunday on Owende. We are moving forward, my brothers and my sisters. We are moving forward. We are not here to joke. We have come to restore Biafra, and every step that it takes us to make sure that Biafra is restored, we must take it. We must take that account. We must take that step. Sorry. And as we are moving forward, I say that I'm going to speak Igbo, and I mix it also with English because of our people who doesn't understand Igbo. Can oge nna na-achịga azụ na-asụ amụrụ maga m akọpụtakwala n'ugwu egwu asụsụ Igbo agbala nze onye kokeke onye nwe m ga-agọzi gị n'egwu nke ị na-enye anyị biko ka anyị ga-ene egwu a ntị denu achọrọ m ka m mekwa gịnị ka m tinye tikasịkwa ya n'obe dịkwasị aṅa maka ada ama ama ebe ọ bụla ịpụtara ịfụrụ ya nwanne tụsa anya tụsa dị ozi 1 million in 2 weeks. That is what I want. I want us to hit 1 million followers. That account must hit 1 million followers because this man is an educator. This man is a lecturer. This man is a leader. This man is a prophet. This man is a seer. This man is the man who saw tomorrow. That Messiah you are looking for, you are waiting for, that they told you Jesus Christ will come back. Jesus Christ will come back. Our own Jesus Christ of today, the savior of our land, is Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. If you want to go to heaven, That is the heaven I'm talking about is Biafra land. For Biafra to be restored, follow him. Ndị a gasị na maazị Okpalaeze abịakwa n'ọzọ. Ụmụnne m asị m unu gbado anya ka unu malụ na ife anyị na-eme abụrụ ife ụmụazị. Biko ka m kọpụtara unu egwu ka anyị na-aga n'iru.
onye jikwana nke obodo fa mebi nke m amejikwana nke m wee mebi nke onye ọzọ ndị Igbo ka anyị sụba n'Igbo
echigatakwana m ọzọ ụmụnne m ndị ọma njem ọnụ ana m eme ka unu mata na ife anyị na-eme abụrụ ife ụmụazị nwanne ọ bụrụ ife ụmụazị onye ọbụla ga-emenwu ya. Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ bụ eze Nnamdị Okwu Kanụ. Ana m asị na ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma n'ụtụtụ, dịrị gị na efe, dịrị gị n'abalị. Biko ana m atụsa ozi a wee sị ka unu nye aka tụsa anya. Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ nọ na Facebook. Biko ọ bụrụ na ị gaa n'iru akwụkwọ ị ga-afụ Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ, tụsa anya bụ ozi. Follow him, send him friend request and share it. It is very, very important you do this because I want us to surprise Facebook. I want Facebook to say, which kind of people are this? What kind of people is this? Where are they from? From which platform? From which planet are they from? Let us show them the spirit of resilience that we have, the spirit of doggedness that we have, the love that we have over this man that they brought his account down. We must follow Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ bomber to bomber. And when you follow, you share it on your wall. When you follow, you share it on your wall. When you follow, you share it on your wall. When you follow, you share it on your wall. When you follow, you share it on your wall. I am telling you that the world that are listening to Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ, people are crying right now that, oh my God, the only man that used to educate us, the man that used to let us know what is happening, the man that opened our eyes that we are no longer following because Facebook has brought down his account on Facebook. Therefore, we are going to reactivate that followership and make it double than what Facebook have seen before. Page was how many? Almost 700,000 people. The followers and the like, when you put them together. But now, I said before 2 weeks coming, I want us to hit 1 million followers on this particular account. When I give me, what is 1 million? What is 1 million followers? Go and check Cristiano Ronaldo, a footballer that is making his money, enjoying himself. Go and check how many people that are following him. Check his followers on Facebook. Check Lionel Messi. Look at how many people that are following him. They are footballers enjoying their money. But somebody that is leading a movement, a liberator, somebody that have come to liberate us. You can imagine if Facebook is not frustrating his account. You can imagine how many million followers that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is supposed to have now. They never know how serious we are. They never know. They never know how serious we are. They never know how much we love this man. They never know how much we value him. And we are going to use this opportunity to show them. If every one of us that is following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can share this program, if every one of us that is following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can, as a matter of urgency, follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on that account. Once you share and follow him, your friends, all your friends share and follow. Okay, let us do calculation now. Let's do plus and minus. I am having 19,000 and subtraction followers myself. 19,000 and subtraction followers now as we speak, and about 4,000 and some. It was 5,000 friends, but I have to remove some intellectuals. I have to delete them, so it remained 4,700 and 4,800. And now imagine out of this, if you put 4,000 plus and 19,000 plus, you're talking about 20-something thousand followers on my own wall alone. If half of these 20-something thousand followers share Mazi Nnamdi Kanu account and follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu account, and if they have such followers, such numbers of followers that I have, and they share it, and their own friends share it, and their own friends share it, my brother, we need to make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu his account, because of the job he's doing, because of the work he's doing, we are supposed to make him the most person, the number one person that has the highest followers on Facebook, the most famous. We can do it. The link is already here. If you cannot find the link here, you go to my wall, Prince Darlington. Go to my wall, Prince Darlington. You are going to see it. You're going to see it. Then you click on it and you like it. Or you can go to Biafra TV. You will see it. Or you can go to Aside Hot Biafra TV. You will see it there. Then you click on it. You share it. You shouldn't follow only. You can send me friend request. You can follow. Then you share. You share. Let us suppress Facebook. Their suppression cannot be meted on our leader, and we keep quiet. We cannot keep quiet. What we can do now to prove to them that account they are holding, the owner of the account that they are holding is important to us, is to truncate, to speed up the followership of this new account that our leader have just created now. When they see the number of people following this man, now they will say, okay, now we understand. No, what happened to the other account? If we follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in large numbers, we are speaking now, I swear to my heavenly Father, before 1 week, so it's not human being that will tell Facebook to release the other page, because we are going to show them the color we are made of. We are indigenous people of Biafra. If we go on any war, we don't retreat, we don't surrender. And on this particular one, as I'm speaking to you right now, I know that a lot of people are following him, a lot of people are sending friend requests, and a lot of people are sharing. If you are watching or listening and you have not followed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, then you are lacking, because that is, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is an institution. It's an institution. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is an institution. If you want to learn, if you want to be educated, if you want your eye to be open, if you want to follow up to know what is happening, if you want to get the right information about Africa and what is happening in this contraption, follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's new account, not page. Do not forget. Bikon Kayana Kuplo Egwa Balanze.
N'asụsụ Igbo mma biko sụba Igbo n'asụsụ Igbo dị mma ịyala isi Igbo jezie ga-asụba ife ọzọ mbọsị ị ga-anata obodo a na-asụ Igbo ị na-akagharị aka.
Yes, we are still here. We are still here. Share.
Akwụdoro n'ezigbo oyi mụ wee sụọlụ Igbo obido sụbalụ m oyibo.
Do you all know that one of the reasons why they want to shut Mazi Nnamdi Kanu up is because nobody have ever propagated the issue of Biafra restoration on this planet Earth like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Using all our platforms, using our Radio Biafra, our Biafra TV, and extensively on Facebook and Twitter. Do you know that when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is having up to 1 to 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million followers, that if anything is happening in Biafra land, once Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come on Facebook and broadcast and say, this is what is happening to my people, the whole world will listen and they will hear. Do you know why our people lost in the war? Because the information that was pushing from Biafra land was limited through Radio Biafra. And the Okokon them did a very great job. That man, Chukwu Kabema will bless him. It was a limited information. The information was limited. There's a limit to the information the Okokon them was pushing out. It is not everybody in the world that knew that our people were being bombarded, that our people are being massacred, that Washoko is being killing our people, that we are given air, land, and sea blockade. It's not everybody that knew. Not everybody. At least if the world is 200 countries as at then, I am telling you categorically, with very verifiable fact and figure, that it may be only 40 countries that heard about it. And that 40 countries that heard about it, maybe only 10 or 9 out of them have sympathy for Biafra. The rest were against us. But today, Otalim ka na apezi hawanne. Otalim Mazi Nnamdi Kanu account need to have up to 3 to 10 to 3, 4, 5 to 10 million followers. And who is going to make it happen? It is you. It is me. We are here. Ophonius, we die here. We die here. Okay, Flavor. All of us, we die here on this platform. And this Biafra of this generation, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have trained us to the extent that we don't even know what is called fear. Fear is gone from our lives. Fear have disappeared from our lives. Because he who is on the ground fears no fall anymore. So that our leader that is standing for each and every one of us, if we cannot talk about him, if we cannot promote his page, which he is using to reach to the whole world, then what else are we good for? Or Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is this, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is that. One day, go and promote our leaders' wall. Go out there and promote our leaders' war, because I cannot do it alone. You cannot do it alone. If you want to kill a fly, use your 2 hands. If you use one, you will miss it. But when you use 2, when you are working from your side and working from my side, do you know the population of the world? That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is supposed to have at least 3 to 4 million followers. Why Facebook is trying to suppress it, we will be pushing it up. This is a game of number. Are you hearing me? Do you understand what I'm saying? This is a game of number. When 1 million people is following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and 1 million people share his broadcast, do you know what is going to happen? The blind will see, the deaf will hear, and the dumb will speak. Because truth can never be covered, no matter how you try. If you are joining this program right now, I'm not discussing about any other thing but the account of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that was brought down. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have brought up another account, have created another account. This time around, it's not a page. It is an account, Facebook account. The one you used to create with your information, and people will send you friend requests. Go out there and support and push this message across to the world. Let the world know that we are Biafrans and we love our leader. Let the world know that everybody, as long as you're a Biafran, you need to go and not like it. You need to follow that account. Follow it, send in friend request. If he welcomes you, one day you are more lucky than others. Because if you watch what is happening in the world now, America have their CNN. Britain have their BBC. France have their France 24. Arab have their what do you call it? Their Al Jazeera. Then in Nigeria, they have their Channels TV. They have their NTA. What do you have? Only Radio Biafra. And that Radio Biafra, the enemies are fighting it down. Then in the international arena, it is the social media that we are using in placement of Radio Biafra. We are on satellite, yes. We are on FM, yes. We are on shortwave, yes. We are on all these platforms, yes. But social media is the fastest way to spread a message. So if you are not following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on his new account, it is time for you to follow his account right now. I have pinned it there. People keep asking me, pin it here, pin it here, pin it here. I have pinned it here. You can still go to my wall and you will see it there too. Let us gorgeously accept our leader and promote his wall. Let's promote his Facebook account. Let's do it. We can do it. We can do it. We have numbers. Do you know how many thousands and millions of Biafrans across the globe? Do you know that? You don't know. Then just share this program and leave the rest. Share this program and go and go and follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not liking page. Go and follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Send him friend request and share it. Once you are done following him, then you share it on your wall. Share it in every platform where you are, just as I'm doing. When the go on new.
I am fine. We are doing well. Yabi fewe with them. Ezi boy, edi family jasuzi luboyi bebe na sulugibo. Oputalo ni mara sibo, oputalo ni mara susu, asusu ben na iyo etibo. Imana mbanye na gwa pupo, aniso ibo na kilasi, onye kuzi abeba ni italiyo. Imana mbanye na jabubo, anisuzi ibo na kilasi, onye kuzi anaba nyego. Papa rifefa polea, babanya vanakula, asusi ibo menem. Ufadi wetozie, welinya baka weto, ojezie gafjama. Ina suzi lufibo, ojezie gakobaka, na famala singilishio. Ina sulufibo, ojezie gakobaka, akandi naso ibo. Olusie kasubo ibo, Pachaya libanya, mafama rokwa sibo. Obuli fedijo, wedili wafibo, nomara sibo nenuwa. Onyibo subibo, akwani nasulu ibo, inasulanyo ibo. Sobasu sibo, asusibo demo. Akwani nasulu ibo, inasulanyo ibo.
ụmụnne m ọ bụkwa na-asụrụ gị Igbo na-asụ oyibo maka asụsụ Igbo amaka kụzielu ụmụ unu ka esi asụ Igbo n'ihi na asụsụ Igbo bụ nke anyị. Ana m asị na ọ ga-adịrị nwoke mma, ọ ga-adịrị nwaanyị mma, ọ ga-adịrị onye ukwu nwa, ọ ga-adịrị onye nta mma. Ana m asị ife ọjọọ ama mere ụlụ ụmụ Biafra asị m ngunu ji eko akwanakwa ụnụ mbọsị njikwa ama mpụkwa ụnụ ama mụọ na onwe mbụ Maazị Okpala Ezechukwu bụ ike m. Ana m asị ka ọ ga-adịrụ na mma n'ụtụtụ dịrụ na ehie dịrụ n'abalị ifeọma ifeọma ka nna ya n'isi unu ifeọma ndị na ya dana n'ọdịnala ka opolu na ome Chukwu okabịa ma ga-agọzi unu niile. Ana m asị ka unu tụsa ozi gbasatara Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Facebook ya iru akwụkwọ bụ Facebook n'asụsụ Igbo ya na-akpịa bụ iru akwụkwọ ka unu tụsa ya bụ ozi ma mee zigara ya ozi ka ọ nabata unu. Ị na-aghọta ọ nabata gị ị na-esokwu ya. ọ bụrụ na ị chọghị izigara ya ozi ka izigara ya ozi ka ọ nabata gị imekwa pịa aka ebe ọ ga-abịa pịa ị na-esi ya n'azụ ihe ọ bụla ọ na-ekwu ị na-enweta ya ịtụsa ozi ya ka ụwa nwee ike dị na-anụ onu anyị n'ihi na oge akara aka eruona. A sịkwa na agha akara aka a na-eri nwa ngwụrọ. Biko ebe ọ bụla ị nọ tụsala m ozi ya ana m asị na ọ ga-adịrụ na mma mana eke mana ori mana afọ mana nkwọ. Aga m echigatakwa azụ n'abalị a ka mụ na ụlọ kpakọrị ụbụbọ n'oge ahụ enwere m ike iwebataziri unu na Aside Hot webatakwala ya unu na Biafra TV mana ka ọ dị ugbu a ka ọ dịrị unu na mma onye nwe ngozi n'afọ m unu n'anya rinne. I love you all. Thank you so much, my brothers and my sisters. As I'm leaving you, I am not leaving you, but I am leaving the platform for now because I'm with you in the spirit. Biko ka ekene Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọzọ tupu anyị bọcha.
Odokenenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Anyị kenebenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Amadike Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Ike abụgo ndị loyo, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike.
Ọ ga-adịrị na mma ụmụnne m afọ m n'anya maka emesịanụ aka m bụ nwanne unu Maazị Okpala Ezechukwu bụ ike m. Biko tụsala m ozi a, share this program and go and follow Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, his new account. I put it on my wall. I put it on Biafra TV. I put it on Aside Hot Biafra TV. I put it on Radio Biafra London. I put it on IPOB Community Radio. I put it on Radio Biafra Extra. Radio Biafra Extra Talk. Okay, Extra. I had Extra Talk. I put it on so many platforms. So I want you to do the same so that in the next 2 weeks, we want to hit 1 million followers on that account, that Facebook may know that we are formidable. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye-bye.